Please welcome Engineer Richard Lim.
This year is one of the most promising years for the whole commercial aviation industry. As part of the MRO's contribution to our industry, come 2013, the three leading MROs, namely Lim Aviation Services, Chua Adante Aviation Corporation, and JJ Aviations, are going to start acquiring new tools that are environment friendly. The latest tools and technologies in maintaining new aircrafts are at hand, and we are all working on the success of this endeavor. Tagged as a Green MRO campaign, we are working with the PAS and the Civil Aviation Authority. The feasibility studies and SWOT analysis are out. The three MRO's engineers and technicians are undergoing training. We will produce more dedicated, competent, and green technicians and engineers to continuously help the growth of commercial aviation.